guys, Blooming Freesia here, doing a little unboxing of this Art 3D wall panels. I bought these because I'm planning on renovating my studio and making it a little more girlier and a little more brighter. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm going to show you guys what it's like. First off, let me get to saying that it has the step-by-step instructions on the outside of the box, and that it says that it basically works on all wall surface, but it must be flat, dry, clean, and firm. And it says if your walls are old or your house is old, the wall surface must be painted with water-based seal primer to fix the loosened surface. For preparation, you open the box, put the panels on the floor for 24 hours to balance the moisture between the panels. I guess so that's so it won't tilt and turn after you install. You measure the wall and plan the design. So before you actually unglue these and press them into place, you have to plan out your design first. It's not just like one of these things that, okay, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to start from left to right and go. No, you have to plan it, because once you get in place, there's no going back. And step number 3 actually mentions that. Measure the wall and plan the design. Measure the size of the wall to find out the central point of it. So you don't go from left to right, you go from the center of the wall. Then mark vertically and horizontal to arrange on the floor by rotating the panels before attempting to install. And they're warning you this because once you have them installed, once you have the glue contact put on them, you cannot take it off. These babies are stuck on there. Install the panels on the wall, put heavy-duty construction adhesive to the lower parts of the panel back, and put the adhesive higher than the panel back. So you need a heavy-duty construction adhesive. And to cut the panels using a wallpaper knife or electric saw, cut the panels freely when reading the corners or electrical outlet. So that's very, it sounds like it's very easy to cut. And cut edges, trimming, and painting. So these you can actually paint. If the cut edges of the panels meet the corner or the end of the wall, fill the cut edges with sheetrock and compound acrylic caulking. If additional finish is needed, paint the panels with oil-based lacquer. So let me open this up and see what they're like. I like how before you even open the box, they let you know exactly what to look for. So these come really packed very good. It has these corner containers here so they don't slide, move around, and scratch. There are quite a bit in here. I'm going to show you guys because they're stacked one on top of the other, so you cannot just take them out freely, one at a time. As you can see, it looks like it has texture to it, but it actually is a 3D. And now I understand why they tell you to take it out of the box and wait 24 hours. Because they are stacked so tight on top of one another. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are a lot of panels here. But they are all stacked tight, one on top of the other. So now I understand why they say wait 24 hours and let it, get to the temperature of the room and the moisture of the room. Very good quality though. I love this. I love the 3D. I love how it pops out at you. The back is very flat. Well, not flat. Where it's flat is where it has to be flat. Where it stands out is where the design is. But very light to put onto the walls, so you don't think that it's too heavy. But great quality. Amazing quality, and just simply follow the instructions as it says, so that way you don't end up messing up your room or your walls. But as you can see here, this is why they tell you to lay out your panels ahead of time. They're not all the same. They're all the same, but you can set it up different ways to make a design. So like this one here, you'll see there's 2 kite diamond shapes. If you turn it another way, it changes the whole design completely. And you just keep rotating them around until you get the desired pattern you like. Really, it only goes 2 ways for the pattern, as I'm figuring out. So it can either go this way with the 2 diamond kites side by side, or it can go this way. You just layer them one on top. There's a little rim across the side, and you just layer them one next to the other. I'm not a fan of this too much. I like more or less the diamond kites together. I think it looks much better. So that'll probably be the pattern I will be doing on my wall. But I can't wait. I want to see the outcome and can't wait to get to use this. It looks like a nice little weekend project to do. I have multiple boxes of these. So wish me luck, guys, and I will show you the outcome later. Bye-bye.